Hey, welcome to another episode on Bolts and Boost, everybody. So as of right now, I've got this thing a little bit torn apart. I actually hired a buddy to come and do this. He is a journeyman, I think, Red Seal mechanic. But obviously he knows his stuff. I just don't have the time. This job takes anywhere from 10 to 15 hours. And again, I just do not have the time to work on this thing, just due to family and other things. I'm just adjusting my camera here. So I decided to go that route. I'm going to help him where I can, obviously. Like, I already took the intakes off and the beauty covers, you name it. But what I really wanted to show you guys, what you're getting yourself into as far as parts go. So I ordered a cheap eBay kit. But instead of using the eBay, wearable items like the O-rings and all that stuff, I got all Porsche pieces. So I'm just going to kind of show you what we got going on here. I forget what this is here. Oh yeah, so there's the piece that connects the bottom, this guy here. So let me adjust my camera. So yeah, so like I said, I got all OEM Porsche O-rings. So this slides into the piece on the end, and then this goes like this. And then this hose coupler slides onto there and there. So that's kind of all one piece there. This casting doesn't look too bad. They look decent. I do have an issue with the triple piece, which I'll show you guys. So this kit came with this and everything in the middle. These are $70 a piece at the local Porsche dealer. In my mind, a pipe's a pipe, really. So that's kind of how I went into this. If a pipe's a pipe, I'll order the pipes. So here's the triple pipe system. And again, you got your O-ring side that slides into the thermostat housing. And then you got these here, and you can see they're kind of drilled off center, which, whatever. I mean, it's not the best, but it's not really going to harm anything. And from what I could read online, some people are not impressed with the OEM Porsche castings either. So it's like, you're damned if you do, you're damned if you don't type of thing. This kit cost me, with everything you see here, and this is the plastic holder that sits at the back that holds the pipes in place. This was like $250 Canadian shipped. So I went with that route. They actually didn't ship me the plastic vent piece, which was supposed to come with that. With that, I'm replacing a whole bunch of hoses, a bunch of while we're in theirs. This is the plastic vent tube that I'm talking about that this kit was supposed to come with that did not. They did not ship it. So this piece is, yeah, as I was saying, this is a common piece that breaks. There's the Porsche part number. This one didn't cost me too much. A lot of the prices online that I'm seeing are actually more money than my local Porsche dealer. So that's kind of funny. What else do we got here? O-rings and what have you for the pipes that I was talking about. All right, everybody, I just went ahead and just took everything out of the box and laid it down so I can kind of organize it and show you guys. So this is the vent line, the PCV vent line. That is this one here. Mine's all cracked up and stuff, so I ordered a new one from Porsche. Quick flash of the part number for you guys, just in case you're looking for the same thing. A whole bunch of while you're in there, which includes the thermostat. So there's the number there for the thermostat. You guys can see that. And then we got one of the thermostat housing gaskets here. And we got an O-ring. I still don't know where this goes yet, but it's on the diagram. And then there's the thermostat gasket there. So I'll go ahead and just kind of arrange those as such in the box. And we got some, this will be a bunch of O-rings and one coolant hose that sits at the back. And then we got this large coolant hose here. If I can see a part number here for you guys, I believe that's it there. Come on, 955-106-04-900. And this one goes from the overflow to the back, to the rear of the engine there. And then we got this guy here, which again goes from the reservoir up top, right there, all the way down to the back as well. So a lot of while you're in there's for sure. And there's the part number there. So yeah, and what we're missing off camera right now is the water pump. I actually got one from Rock Auto, but they did not send the, or no, sorry, they misshipped it, and the gasket inside the package got all crinkled, so they're sending me a whole new water pump, which is kind of weird, but I'll take it. And I got a metal water pump pulley, which is another upgrade. These are plastic, as you can see, so it's nice to upgrade it to an aluminum. One thing I'm a little concerned about in the future is that the alternator is water cooled, first time for me, and those plastic fittings, you can see it like right there, those plastic fittings snap all the time. So I actually ordered one, and it's just going to be a preventative measure, so when I'm out wheeling I don't have to worry about it. And I think that kind of concludes everything that's supposed to come. Again, all the parts are here so far. Getting some room for my buddy to work here and to lay the intake manifold down. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys all on where we are with this thing. I honestly can't wait to start driving this thing, honestly. I hope it's a lot sooner than later. And still looking how to wire in those driving lights. There's like absolutely no grommets, basically, on the firewall to get inside. And the fuse box that is in here is actually all pretty much live stuff, or it doesn't shut off. It's just kind of insane. So there is one solution, and it's a grommet way back there. You can kind of see it. So I'm gonna have to figure that one out and just run some wire through there. But that's all I have for you guys right now. Just wanted to update everybody on the Porsche build. So we're going to take care of the major maintenance items and then get to work on this thing. I don't know if I told you all, but it's on lowering springs. So yay for me. I want to lift this thing and it comes on lowering springs. But anyway, you guys all have a wonderful week ahead of you. All right? Peace.